Looking for the perfect laptop? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're unboxing an HP laptop, a real gem we found on Amazon. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things tech. Now let's dive in. Navigating through Amazon's vast tech jungle is an adventure in itself. With an array of options at our disposal, the hunt for the perfect HP laptop became a thrilling expedition. From sifting through specifications to reading customer reviews, Amazon proved to be a tech enthusiast's playground. And then came the moment of truth, clicking the Buy Now button. The anticipation was palpable as we placed the order. It was like sending a gift to our future selves. Fast forward to delivery day. The HP laptop arrived and it was time for the unboxing extravaganza. As we peeled back the layers of packaging, the sleek machine was revealed. It was a palpable sense of excitement as we held the future of tech in our hands. The first look at the HP laptop was a revelation. From the sleek design to the impressive functionality, it was clear that HP had outdone themselves. We delved into every feature, leaving no stone unturned in our exploration of this tech marvel. The final step was the test drive. We put the HP laptop through its paces, testing its capabilities, speed, and overall performance. The question was, would it live up to the hype and prove to be a game changer? And that, friends, is the journey from the hunt for the perfect HP laptop on Amazon to the unboxing and testing of this impressive machine. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to stay plugged into the world of tech with us. Until next time, keep exploring the tech universe.